All right, well, I think that opens some lights up a little bit here. Hello my friends, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this garage light. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box and then show you how it looks once it's turned on. So for us personally, I'm going to be running solar in our garage eventually, and I want to have this set up. So this light, we got it to see if it's going to perform as good as we hope. So you got one LED light right here. You got a motion sensor, it looks like, in the center. Actually, I don't, well, that might be. We'll have to check this manual. So yeah, you got an LED on the bottom. You have these LEDs. Now, they all are adjustable. So if you want to have them all straight down, you can. You can turn one out to the side. You can have them all out to the side at different angles, which maximizes the brightness of your garage. Or wherever. You can put this in your basement, or even your recording studio for extra light. So it is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and test it. All right guys, this is the normal light in our office, what you can see. Now let's turn the garage light on. All right, well, I think that opens some lights up a little bit here. Yeah, you can definitely see a lot. So this is what it looks like. Again, you can adjust each individual one. So wow, that works great. Definitely makes things way brighter in here. Absolutely love this. Can't wait to get our solar installed in our garage so we can install this with it. Very nice, guys. I'm happy with that.